Good morning, friends. In BA fifth semester, compulsory English, we have two types of reports. The first is inventory report and another is advertisement copy. Today, in this video, we are studying inventory report. First, we have to understand what is meant by inventory report. Inventory report, in this word, inventory means counting. Counting of furnitures and equipments in any college, industry, factory or company. What type of furnitures are there? How much furnitures and equipments are there? We have to count them and we have to prepare a report in particular format. That is called inventory report. Inventory report contains information of furnitures and equipments in any college or school, factory or industry or in any company. Now, while preparing the report of these furnitures and equipments, one has to specify these furnitures and equipments in two parts. First part is the furnitures and equipments which are in use. म्हणजे एखाद्या कंपनीत किंवा फॅक्टरीमध्ये किंवा कॉलेजमध्ये असलेले फर्निचर्स ते प्रत्यक्ष उपयोगात किती आहेत हा पहिला म्हणजे याला म्हणतो आपण इन यूज. आणि जे उपयोगात नाहीत नॉट इन यूज, यू कॅन से अनयूज्ड, असा दुसरा पार्ट. इन द सेकंड पार्ट unused, again we have to specify in two parts. Not in use, but we can repair them, means repairable, and we can't repair them means unrepairable. लक्षात घ्या, उपयोगात नसलेले फर्निचर्स किंवा साहित्य याचे पुन्हा आपल्याला दोन ठिकाणी वर्गीकरण करावे लागते. पहिलं, उपयोगात नसलेले पण त्याची दुरुस्ती करू शकतोय असे. उपयोगात नसलेले पण जे दुरुस्तच होऊ शकत नाही असे. मीन्स we have to specify the furnitures and equipments which are not in use in two categories, repairable and unrepairable. And then in the last column we have to make a total: in use, repairable, not repairable. For example, in any college there are 10 tables, but out of these 10 tables only 7 are usable. 3 tables are not in use, but out of 3 we can repair 2 and 1 we can't repair. In this way 7 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is what the procedure, this is what the construction of inventory report. Now first we will have to find the example. Suppose that the principal of RK College appoints you to prepare an inventory report of the college furniture and equipments. Prepare a report. This is a sample question. Such type of question would be there in the exam paper. What is in the question? The principal of RK College appoint you to prepare an inventory report. कोणी अपॉइंटमेंट केला आपल्याला? RK कॉलेजने तुमची नियुक्ती कशाकरता केली? इन्व्हेंटरी रिपोर्ट बनवण्याकरता. कसली इन्व्हेंटरी रिपोर्ट? तर कॉलेजचं फर्निचर आणि इक्विपमेंट. म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय करावं लागेल? त्या RK कॉलेजमध्ये किती फर्निचर्स आणि किती साहित्य आहेत याची मोजदाद करून we have to count each and every items including furnitures and equipments, and then we have to prepare a report, and that report we have to submit to the principal of RK College. Now how to solve this question? Listen here. The name of college is already given in the question paper, yet you are solving like this. We have to write in the middle part of your page, write RK College. The name of college is given. If suppose college name is not given, you can put imaginary name. RK College, any place you can write Deuri. The name of place is not given. Then in the second line we have to write the title. What is the title of your report? The title of your report is inventory report. We have to write inventory report in capital letters only. Inventory report. Listen minutely. We have to write inventory report in capital letters and with underline. After that, we have to write inventory report. We have to prepare such type of column. First space for headings of each items. In first, we have to write serial number. We have to write chronologically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are the furnitures and equipments. In the second, we have to write items. Items means items specifying the furnitures and equipments, means table, chairs, duster, blackboards, fan, cooler. These are the items. Plastic chair, wooden chair, stool. These are the furnitures. Then we have got items here. Then the furnitures which are in use, जे प्रत्यक्षात उपयोगात आहेत, we have to write the number of that furnitures. In next, not in use. Already I told you, not in use specifying in two categories. In two categories, which first is repairable and second is unrepairable. These furnitures are not in use, but we can repair. Some of the furnitures we can repair. Some are deadly crashed, we can't repair them. We have to put the number of that furnitures in unrepairable column and then total. Now, one by one, we have to write furnitures. Now, we can write wooden chairs, lakdi kurja. Suppose wooden chairs in use are 5, right? 0, 5, not only single 5. Repairable are 2. unrepairable are 0. Then 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then second, desks. We can write 75. Repairable 15. Unrepairable 6. The total of these three, 75 plus 15, 19 plus 6, 96. In this way, we can write another item, benches. We can write 78. These are the imaginary figures. We can write the imaginary figures 78, 12, 7. Now these are the 97. Again, we can write plastic chairs. We can write plastic chairs, any imaginary, 26. 4 are repairable, which are not in use. 4 again, which are not in use and unrepairable, is equal to 34. In this way, we have to write again most of the atoms which we find. Various atoms are there. 7, 8, 9, 10. We can write fans, ceiling fans. We can write imaginary figures, cooler, duster, computer table. We have write 50 to 20 atoms for 5 marks. It is a syllabus for 5 marks. And then after completing this table, listen here. After completing this table, suppose your table completed here after your 17 or 18 or 20 atoms. Then we have to put your signature in this right lower corner. But as you are a student, you can't put your signature. You can't disclose your name or mobile number. That's why we have to put a symbol of signature, that is S capital, D small and dash. And below that, we have to write report preparing authority. Report preparing authority. And in this left lower corner, we have to write a place. Place is calling in Deuri, means you are in Deuri. We have to write Deuri. Write a date. Date. Today you are going to submit. We have to write a date. 1st of September 2020 in this format. But one thing here, we have prepared this report on 31st of August and you are submitting on 1st of September. You have counted all these items of furniture and equipments in between 25th of August to 31st August. Meaning is that, listen here, तुम्ही ही रिपोर्ट 1 तारखेला सरांकडे सबमिट करताय, पण ही रिपोर्ट बनवायला तुम्हाला 4 ते 5 दिवस लागलेत. साधारण 25 तारखेपासून 30 तारखेपर्यंत तुम्ही त्या कॉलेजमध्ये असलेल्या फर्निचरची मोजदाद केली आणि 1 तारखेला तुम्ही रिपोर्ट सबमिट केला. सरांच्या मनात असं आलं की रिपोर्ट मध्ये काहीतरी चुकीचं आहे आणि मग त्यांनी 1 तारखेला ते डेस्क मोजायला सांगितले. तुम्ही जे लिहून दिले त्यापेक्षा कमी जास्त भरले होऊ शकतं असं. तर काय, तुमच्या सोयीसाठी म्हणून तुम्ही शेवटचं ज्या वेळेला मोजलं असेल, रिपोर्ट तुम्ही 1 तारखेला बनवले आणि सबमिट केलं, पण तुम्ही शेवटचं मोजले केव्हा 31 तारखेला किंवा 30 तारखेला, तर तुम्ही इथं तारीख लिहायची याज ऑन 30 ऑगस्ट 2020 on this right upper corner before this column on this particular place. याचा अर्थ असा की ही रिपोर्ट मी 30 तारखेपर्यंत कॉलेजचे फर्निचर मोजले आणि त्याच्यावर आधारित आहे. सपोज 31 तारखेला कोणी केला असेल, तुम्ही ते केले नाही, तुम्ही 1 तारखेला रिपोर्ट सबमिट केली, 30 तारखेच्या नंतर आणि 1 तारखेपर्यंत जर तुझं कोणी गेला असेल आणि कोणी एखाद्याने डेस्क मोडला असेल, एखादा बेंच चोरीला गेला असेल, तर त्याची जबाबदारी माझी नाही. मी 30 तारखेला जेव्हा मोजलं तेव्हा इतके होते, 1 तारखेला ते तेवढेच असतील हे सांगता येत नाही. याकरता ही तारीख लिहिणं इथं आवश्यक असतं. And in this way, this is the format of inventory report. I will send you some examples, some solved examples through PDF file. Till then, okay.